Hello yogis, welcome to class. Today I'll be guiding you through a 14-minute gentle seated yoga stretch. We'll begin in seated pose. Find your seat with your legs crossed in front and your spine nice and tall yet relaxed. Take a deep breath in, start to lift your arms up overhead. As you exhale, bring your hands at your heart center. Deep breath in, arms up overhead. As you exhale, bring your hands at your heart center, coming back home, sweet home inside. Inhale, arms up overhead once again. Exhale, twist your torso to your right. Left hand comes down onto your right knee and right hand behind your back. Take a deep breath in, lengthen the spine as you root your sitting bones down. And then as you exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Relax the muscles in your face. Relax your gaze. And relax your shoulders. And relax your heart. And breathe. And then on your next inhale, arms up overhead, facing forward. Exhale, twist to the other side. Right hand onto your left knee and left hand behind your back. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale to twist. Relax your shoulders and relax your gaze. And find one spot that you want to make a lovely, steady gaze with it. And breathe in and out through your nose. With your next inhalation, bring your body all the way back to center, arms up overhead. Exhale, interlace your fingers and place your hands at the base of your head. Take a deep breath in, look at the sky, support your head with your hands. As you exhale, draw your chin towards your chest and draw your elbows together. Inhale to look at the sky, your elbows wide open. Exhale, chin to chest, elbows drawn together, spine still nice and tall. Deep breath in, elbows wide open, look at the sky. Exhale, elbows drawn together, chin to chest. And feel the beautiful stretch in the back of your neck and your head and your shoulders. Inhale, look at the sky, elbows open. Exhale, chin to chest, elbows drawn together. Inhale, look at the sky, elbows wide open once again. Exhale, chin to chest, elbows together. And I'm gonna stay here for one full breath in and out, feeling the beautiful stretches in the back of your neck and shoulders and your head. And then lift your head back up. And now drop your right elbow down and lift your left elbow up behind your head. Keep squeezing your fingers and relax your shoulders. Make sure your ribs are still drawn in towards your spine. And breathe, feeling the beautiful, nice stretch in your left tricep and your armpit. And then switch sides. So now drop your left elbow down towards the earth and right elbow up towards the sky. Relax your shoulders and draw your ribs in. And breathe. Okay, good. And now bring your hands back behind your head. Huge breath in. Start to extend your arms up overhead, palms facing up. Exhale, bend your elbows out. Keep squeezing your fingers. And then release your hands onto your knees with your palms facing up, and stay here for a couple of more moments to feel the beautiful sensations traveling throughout your body here. Place your fingertips alongside your body and then find some shoulder rolls. Inhale, shoulders up towards your ears, and then exhale, roll them back and down to the earth. A couple of more times at your own pace. Okay, good. Back to center. And now take your right arm across your body. Place it inside of your left elbow crease. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, pull your right arm closer to your chest using your left arm, and look over your right shoulder if that's comfortable for your neck. And relax your shoulders and find one spot and make a steady gaze with it as you breathe in and out through your nose. Okay, good. Bring your face back to center, release your arms, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So now your left arm inside the right elbow crease. Deep breath in. As you exhale, pull your left arm closer to your body and look over your left shoulder. Relax your shoulders down and find your steady gaze at one spot. And breathe in and out through your nose. Okay, good. Bring your face back to center. Release your hands onto your knees. And now start to find some shoulder rolls once again. Inhale, shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, roll them back down to the earth. A couple more times at your own pace. Okay, good. Come back to center. And now go ahead and extend your left leg to your left and bringing your right hip closer to your groin. Find your spine nice and tall, and do not worry about too much how open your legs can be open. Inhale, lift your right arm up, and then exhale, lean over towards your left and your mount, and your left hand can be onto your left shin or ankle. And then look over your right upper arm and breathe. Relax your shoulders and relax your hips to the earth. And then inhale, engage your core to lift yourself back up. And exhale, bring your right hand onto your left leg and the left hand behind your back, finding your twist. And then bring your face back to center, switch sides. And now go ahead, extend your right leg to your right and bring your left heel closer to your groin. Inhale, left arm up towards the sky. And then as you exhale, lean over towards your right and your mount. And keep flexing your right toes and relax your hips to feel more stretch in your left side body. And relax your gaze. And breathe in and out through your nose. And now engage your core to lift yourself back up as you inhale. And then as you exhale, place your left hand onto your right leg anywhere you feel the most comfortable. And then bring your right hand behind your back to your twist. Inhale, lengthen the body. And then exhale, twist a little bit deeper. And then bring your face back to center, facing forward. And bring the soles of your feet together in front of your body. And grab your ankles with your hands. Inhale, spine nice and tall. And then as you exhale, fold over to the earth. Place your elbows inside of your legs and breathe in and out through your nose, allowing your hips to get really heavy to the earth. Relax the muscles in your face and relax your heart. And then on your next inhale, slowly lift your torso all the way up. And then as you exhale, relax your shoulders down. And now draw your knees together and extend your legs up in front. Flex your toes, spine nice and tall, shoulders relaxed. And start to fold over your legs, hinging from your hips. Feel free to place your hands onto your thighs. And then maybe travel to your shins. And maybe travel to your ankles and feet. Do not force too much. And if you feel any tightness in your hamstrings, feel free to bend your knees as much as you need. Relax the muscles in your face and breathe into the backs of your legs and the back of your upper body. And breathe and feel and reconnect to yourself. And then on your next inhale, slowly lift yourself back up. Exhale, relax your shoulders down. Bend your knees and then open your feet a little bit wider than hip distance and hands behind your back. And start to find some windshield wipers, dropping your knees to one side and then back through center and to the other side. Find this movement several more times at your own pace and your own unique rhythm. Okay, good. Come back to center and find your seat with your legs crossed in front. And bring your hands at your heart center to your prayer, to your Anjali Mudra. And close your eyes. And stay here for several moments to feel your body and your mind and your breath. And maybe take another moment to give lots of thanks to yourself for showing up on your mat, for your health and your well-being. And I thank you so much for practicing yoga with me today. And I hope this class helped. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.